Bonjour, moi je suis Mansi. Bienvenue à la vidéo de Language Fluent. Je suis votre professeur de français. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre quand on peut répondre avec un si. Hello, my name is Mansi. Welcome to the video of Language Fluent. I'm your French professor and today we are going to learn when can we respond with a si. In French, we have oui, which means yes, no, which means no, si, which also means yes. So, when do we use we and when do we use si? So, in French, we do not have yes, I do and no, I don't. Now, let us look at an example to understand this better. Now, there's a person A who dislikes chocolates and somebody asks him, aimez-vous les chocolats? Aimez-vous les chocolats? Which means, do you like chocolates? The person will respond, no, as he doesn't like chocolates. No, je n'aime pas les chocolats. Je n'aime pas les chocolats. Now, if that same person is asked, n'aimez-vous pas les chocolats? Don't you like chocolates? It's a negative question. Don't you like chocolates? He will still say no because he doesn't like chocolates. So it's no, je n'aime pas les chocolats. No, je n'aime pas les chocolats. Now let us look at the other person, person B, who loves chocolates. He's a person who loves chocolates. Now if somebody is asking him, aimez-vous les chocolats? Aimez-vous les chocolats? Which means, do you like chocolates? So he will say, oui, j'aime les chocolats. Yes, I like chocolates. Now the same person, if he's asked a negative questions, n'aimez-vous pas les chocolats? N'aimez-vous pas les chocolats? Which means, don't you like chocolates? He will answer with a si, j'aime les chocolats. Now here, if he would just answer with an oui, it would mean, yes, you are right, I don't like chocolates. So whenever it's a negative question and you answer with a oui, it means that you are right, I don't like chocolates. But you want to say, no, I like chocolates. So that's why you respond with a si. So whenever a question is negative and the response is positive, you use si. You respond with a si. As I'll explain it to you once again, n'aimez-vous pas les chocolats? Which means, don't you like chocolates? He will respond with a si. Question is negative, answer is positive, you will use a si. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more such content, click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss on our updates. We at Language Fluent, we teach foreign languages for job and migration purposes and also provide translation and interpretation services. To register for a complete course, fill the form given in the description box below or you can contact us on the numbers given below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. A bientôt. Au revoir.